In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your code in Cyberghost 5. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Cyberghost VPN website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll notice is the home page, prominently featuring Cyberghost's robust range of security services. It's crucial to start from the official site to ensure you're working within a secure environment. Next, locate the My Account option on the website. This is typically found at the top corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page that asks you to log in. If you don't see My Account straight away, you might want to scroll a little or check the main menu. It can sometimes be nested under additional options. Clicking My Account sets the stage for accessing your personalized user interface, where all your account details and settings are consolidated. With the account page now loaded, the next move is to log in. Click on the Login button. This will require your email and password associated with your Cyberghost account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, which is a great way to add an extra layer of security, keep your mobile device handy to verify your login. Make sure to use a secure password, and if you're like me and sometimes forget, use a password manager to keep track. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Cyberghost home. Think of this as your control center. From here, you can manage everything from your subscriptions to settings. Navigate to your profile by clicking on the Profile tab. This is where all your personal information and account tools are easily accessible. On your profile page, the next thing to do is to click on Subscriptions. This section is pivotal because it's where you can manage or change your current VPN subscription plans. Once you click on it, you'll be shown an array of options. Within the Subscriptions area, you should see a section labeled Activation Key. Clicking this is your final step for activation. In the Activation Key section, you have the opportunity to enter the code that came with your Cyberghost purchase. Carefully input the code and double-check for accuracy. Typographical errors are more common than you think. Confirm it's entered correctly before submitting. This will ensure your VPN is fully activated without any hitches. And there you have it. You've successfully activated your code in Cyberghost 5, protecting your online privacy and security in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Stay safe online.